The idea that humans could use sunlight for energy like plants feels almost magical. Just imagine not needing to eat anymore, just soaking up the sun to power your body. But could this ever be possible? Or is it purely science fiction? To answer that, we must examine the biological obstacles, explore creative workarounds, and consider the profound ways such an adaptation would reshape human civilization. The numbers alone reveal the first major hurdle. Plants convert only 2% of sunlight into usable energy, while humans require roughly 100 watts of continuous power, equivalent to a bright light bulb running 24/7. Human skin covers merely 2 square meters, but to meet our energy needs through photosynthesis will require roughly 100 square meters of surface area, about the size of half a tennis court. Imagine having to spread out that much skin every morning just to survive. Even with perfect efficiency, we would essentially starve while basking in the sun for hours, hardly an effective survival strategy. Beyond surface area, our cellular machinery lacks the fundamental components for photosynthesis. Chloroplast, the tiny organelles that convert sunlight into energy, require specific genes humans simply don't possess. Even if we could somehow integrate them, chloroplasts demand constant maintenance and precise conditions our bodies can't provide. Meanwhile, prolonged sun exposure would drastically increase cancer risks, creating a deadly trade-off. Given these seemingly insurmountable obstacles, let's explore some boundary-pushing possibilities. Nature offers intriguing precedents. The Elysia sea slug steals chloroplasts from algae and temporarily uses them for energy, while some corals maintain symbiotic relationships with photosynthetic algae. Could humans achieve something similar? One approach might involve engineering symbiotic relationships with photosynthetic bacteria embedded beneath our skin. However, our immune systems would likely attack these foreign organisms, triggering infections or autoimmune responses. CRISPR gene editing could theoretically introduce plant-like genes into human DNA, but the results would probably be inefficient and unpredictable. A more plausible solution might be artificial leaf implants, nanoscale solar cells integrated into our skin, though this ventures into transhumanism, blurring the line between biology and machine. The immediate benefits seem obvious. Reduced food scarcity and carbon-neutral humans absorbing CO2 while releasing oxygen. But the downside would be staggering. People would spend hours motionless in direct sunlight, revolutionizing work and social structures. Luxury would be redefined by sun access. Penthouse balconies and glass homes replacing fine dining as status symbols. Geographically, equatorial regions would gain massively advantages, while Arctic populations faced existential crises. Cloudy days or long winters could trigger photosynthetic famines, creating entirely new forms of seasonal depression and migration patterns. The global economy would converge as agriculture, restaurants, and food industries collapsed or rapidly transformed. Aesthetically, humans would become unrecognizable. Chlorophyll would tint skin green, or we might evolve translucent flesh to maximize light absorption, resembling sci-fi aliens more than contemporary humans. Photosynthesis could make us so sedentary that our ability to run, climb, or think quickly might waste away over time. Ultimately, while photosynthetic humans remain biologically impractical, this thought experiment reveals profound truths about our relationship with energy and environment. Plants succeed with photosynthesis because they are stationary, structurally optimized, and have low energy demands, the opposite of active, warm-blooded humans. Yet, this speculation isn't entirely academic. Research into artificial photosynthesis could inspire revolutionary technologies for space travel or sustainable energy. For now, though, humans are better off eating their greens rather than becoming them. A reminder that nature's solutions, however elegant, aren't always transferable across the vast differences that separate kingdoms of life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.